In this video, we will going to discuss the basic understanding of e-commerce, what is e-commerce, which are the types of e-commerce, and what is the need of e-commerce in the modern time and the changing scenario. First of all, the word e-commerce. As we all are passing through the pandemic, we all are familiar with the word e. For example, e-learning, e-learning, e-commerce, and many more things that is connected with the internet. Uh, First of all, let us understand what is commerce. According to dictionary.com, commerce is a division of trade or production which deals with the exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumer. As you all are the student of commerce, you are very well aware of the word commerce. Commerce is a word which is connected with trade, व्यापार અને production, selling એ દરેક વર્ડ્સ કોમર્સ સાથે સંકળાયેલા છે. It comprises the trading of something of economic value such as goods, services, information or money between two or more entities. જ્યારે આપણે કોમર્સની વાત કરીએ છીએ ત્યારે તેમાં વિવિધ સેવાઓ, વ્યાપાર, માહિતી, પૈસાની લેવડ દેવડ વગેરે વસ્તુઓની આપલે કરવામાં આવે છે. અને એમાં એક વસ્તુ જે કોમન છે કોઈ પણ કોમર્સમાં, that commerce can be possible between two parties, two entities, બે વ્યક્તિઓ વચ્ચે કે બે પક્ષ વચ્ચે વ્યાપાર હંમેશા ચાલતો હોય છે. હવે નોર્મલ ભાષામાં આપણે કોમર્સ જે સમજીએ છીએ એના કરતાં ઈ કોમર્સમાં શું ડિફરન્સ છે એ આજે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરવાના છે. અને તમારી એક્ઝામમાં વોટ ઇઝ કોમર્સ એન્ડ વિચ આર ધી ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ કોમર્સ, વિચ આર ધી બેનિફિટ્સ એન્ડ ડ્રોબેક્સ ઓફ કોમર્સ, આ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછાઈ શકે છે ઇફ યોર એક્ઝામિનેશન will be taken as per the old method. E-commerce. What is e-commerce? Commonly known as electronic marketing. Whenever we are going through this word e, it is something that is connected with internet or which is also connected with the online things. Here today we are going to discuss electronic marketing. What is electronic marketing? That electronic marketing, through electronic marketing, we do not be dependent on the ટ્રેડિશનલ મેથડ ઓફ શોપિંગ. આપણે પહેલાં જે કરતા હતા કે દુકાને જઈને શોપિંગ કરવાની, એની બદલે વી કેન ગો એન્ડ બાય થ્રુ ધ વેબસાઇટ્સ ઓફ ડિફરન્ટ કંપનીઝ. It consists of buying and selling goods and services over an electronic system such as the internet and other computer networks. Through computer networks, through internet, we can be able to easily purchase goods and services. આપણે એકદમ આસાનીથી દુનિયાના કોઈપણ ખૂણે કોઈપણ વસ્તુ ખરીદી અથવા વેચી શકીએ છીએ. All you are very well aware of that thing. E-commerce is the purchasing, selling and exchanging goods and services over computer networks through which transaction or terms of sale are performed electronically. But one main thing that is very important in e-commerce is that two parties are connected through the electronic medium, whether they are connected with internet, networks or computers, etc. So આપણે જે જૂના ટ્રેડિશનલ મેથડ પ્રમાણે વ્યાપારમાં એક્સચેન્જ કરતા હતા એની બદલે પૈસાની લેવડ દેવડ હોય, માહિતીની લેવડ દેવડ હોય કે પછી કોઈ પણ વસ્તુની લેવડ દેવડ હોય, we can easily connect through the network of internet or any other medium through which we can connect electronically with the other parties. What is traditional business? In traditional business, what happens that why traditional business is little costly than the e-commerce, because in traditional business you can see on your screen that there are too many steps through which a person have to go through. આમાં આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ કે ટ્રેડિશનલ મેથડમાં મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ યુનિટ, ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર હોય, હોલસેલર હોય, રિટેલર હોય અને લાસ્ટમાં કસ્ટમર સુધી એ વસ્તુને પહોંચે. એન્ડ દે ઓલ્સો એટ ધી હોલ આપણે શું કહી શકીએ છીએ ને, એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ પાછળ જે પણ ખર્ચો થાય એ બધો જ ટ્રેડિશનલ બિઝનેસમાં એડ કરીને આપણા સુધી એ વસ્તુ પહોંચાડવામાં આવે છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, ઇન ટ્રેડિશનલ બિઝનેસ આપણે વાત કરી લઈએ કે કોઈ દુકાનમાં આપણે કાપડ કે કોઈ વસ્તુ ખરીદવા ગયા છે, સમજી લો ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ માટે કોઈ ફર્નિચરની શોપ પર આપણે જઈએ છીએ ફર્નિચર ખરીદવા માટે, તો શું થશે, એ વેપારી પણ હોલસેલ ભાવમાં ફેક્ટરીમાંથી કે કોઈ બીજા વેપારી પાસેથી એની વસ્તુને ખરીદી હશે અને પછી આપણને પહોંચાડશે. પ્લસ એની માર્કેટ એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ માટેનો જે ખર્ચ થયો હશે એ પણ એમાં એડ કરીને આપણને એ વસ્તુને વેચશે. અને અત્યારના ઈ કોમર્સના ટાઈમમાં આપણને એ વસ્તુ તમે જોઈ શકો છો કેટલા બધા સ્ટેપ્સ અંદર આપણને ઓછા થતા જોવા મળશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, ડાયરેક્ટ સેલિંગમાં દેર ઇઝ ઓનલી 2%, કંપની એન્ડ કસ્ટમર. we can directly buy from the company so that we can purchase the thing very costly. Why use e-commerce? We all are very well aware that what is the need of e-commerce. First thing that we need to dependent on e-commerce is that in this 21st century, all the people are very busy into their routine life. A person has not a time that they can go to the shop for single things and they can buy it from shop to shop. So e-commerce can easily avail them the things they need. First benefit of e-commerce is that low entry cost. In traditional market, a businessman earns money by selling the product and include his own benefits into that product, and for that reason it becomes or the thing becomes very what we can say, એ વસ્તુમાં વેપારી પોતાનો નફો એડ કરે છે, એનાથી એ વસ્તુ આપણને બહુ મોંઘી પડે છે. ઓન ધ કોન્ટ્રારી, બીજી સાઈડ આપણે જોઈ લઈએ તો ઈ કોમર્સમાં શું થશે કે વી કેન બાય ઇઝીલી ફ્રોમ ધી કંપની, એન્ડ સો આપણને એ વસ્તુ માર્કેટ કરતાં ઓછી પ્રાઇસમાં મળી શકે છે. રિડ્યુસીસ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન કોસ્ટ. On the traditional method, buying the thing is little need, what we can say that it needs ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન એન્ડ એક જગ્યાએથી આપણે કહી શકીએ ને બીજી જગ્યાએ પહોંચાડવાનો જો ખર્ચો થતો હોય એ પણ એમાં એડ કરીને આપણા સુધી પહોંચાડવામાં આવે છે. અને બીજી બાજુ જ્યારે આપણે એ વસ્તુને ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિકલી વી ઓર્ડર ઇટ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિકલી, it is very easy for us and for the company to reach that product to our home. Access to the global market. We can purchase anything from anywhere in the world. We can the whole global market is open to us for buying the electronic things, buying the electronic marketing. ટ્રેડિશનલ મેથડમાં આપણે એક દુકાન બે દુકાન કે વધારેમાં વધારે 3-4 દુકાને ફરીને વસ્તુ જોઈને પરચેસ કરી શકતા. ઓન ધ અધર સાઇડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક માર્કેટિંગથી આપણે ધ હોલ ગ્લોબલ માર્કેટ ઇઝ ઓપન ટુ અસ. સિક્યોર માર્કેટ શેર. It is a secure market if we are aware of that thing. આ વસ્તુમાં જેટલા આપણે જાણીતા હોઈએ એટલો આપણને વધારે બેનિફિટ છે. જો ઇફ વી આર નોટ યુઝ ટુ પરચેસ ફ્રોમ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક માર્કેટિંગ, ઇટ કેન ઓલ્સો બી dangerous for us. There is security issue, there is a cyber crime things, and many things that we have to taken into consideration while marketing electronically. What is the thing that enhance the e-commerce in modern world, or from where the e-commerce started? In 1970s, electronic funds transfer used by the banking industry to exchange account information over secured networks. In the very beginning, the electronic marketing is only limited to exchange the information from secured network. શરૂઆતમાં શું થતું હતું કે ખાલી માહિતીની આપલે કરવા માટે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક માર્કેટનો ઉપયોગ થતો હતો. On the late 1970s and early 1980s, electronic data interchange for e-commerce within companies, પછી એક કંપનીમાંથી બીજી કંપનીમાં ડેટા ટ્રાન્સફર કરવા માટેની શરૂઆત થવા લાગી. Used by business to transmit data from one business to another. In 1970s, the World Wide Web on the internet provides easy to use technology for information publishing and dissemination. When the WWW begins, World Wide Web, there is a great revolution comes into the market of or what we can say electronic marketing. Cheaper to do business, economic of scale. It is very cheaper to do business electronic. There is no need of shop, there is no need of physical things, there is no need of transaction and many other things that traditional shop needs. Enable diverse business activities, economic of scope. There is a lot of scope for electronic marketing. We do not need any kinds of experience to do this kind of business. It enables the businessman to do his business from anywhere in the world. The process of e-commerce: a consumer uses web browser to connect to the home page of a merchant's website on the internet. There is no need of anything to purchase from electronic market. There is only a need of computer and internet connection to purchase thing from the electronic market. The consumer browses the catalog of products featured on the site and selects items to purchase. The selected items are placed in the electronic equivalent of a shopping cart. As you all are aware of purchasing online, અત્યારના સમયમાં તો આપણે કોઈને આ વસ્તુ શીખવાડવાની જરૂર નથી કે ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ કઈ રીતે કરી શકાય. There is only a need to switch the internet and you can visit the website of that company and you can select from that catalog and you can easily purchase that thing from electronic market, or what we can say you can do electronic or e-business. When the consumer is ready to compete sorry when the consumer is ready to complete the purchase of selected items, she provides a bill to Nship to address for purchase and delivery. When we select a thing from that catalog, finally આપણે જ્યારે એ વેબસાઇટમાં લોગિન થઈને કોઈ પણ એક વસ્તુને સિલેક્ટ કરીએ છીએ, એ ફાઇનલી આપણને એક બિલ સ્લીપ આપે છે જેમાં આપણે ડેબિટ કાર્ડ કે કોઈ પણ જે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન છે પે કરવા માટેની એ ફિલઅપ કરી દઈએ તો ફાઇનલી એ આપણને she asks us for the address of delivery, and when we fill all the necessary information to purchase the thing, we are able to get that thing within a week of the time. When the merchant's web server receives this information, it computes the total cost of the order including tax, shipping and handling charges, and then displays the total to the customer. The customer can now provide payment information such as credit card number and then submit the order. મેં જેવી રીતે તમને કીધું એવી રીતે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક માર્કેટમાં કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ ખરીદવી બહુ જ ઇઝી છે. આમાં તમે જે બેઝિક ઇન્ફોર્મેશન છે એ ફિલઅપ કરીને તમે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ આસાનીથી ખરીદી શકો છો. આ વસ્તુ વધારે મારે સમજાવવાની જરૂર નથી કેમ કે આજના સમયમાં especially because of this pandemic, we all are very aware that how to use e-commerce or how to use electronic market. When the credit card number is validated and the order is completed at the commerce server site, the merchant site display a receipt confirming the customer's purchase. On the other side, on the website of company, when we confirm all that order, it shows that a person fulfill all the needs that a website requires, or a customer fulfills all the information that a website needs, and so finally he approve the purchase order of the customer. The commerce server site then forwards the order to a processing network for payment, processing and fulfillment. Finally, it transfers the order summary to a commerce server, and it further requires a payment processing and all that needs, or all that formality that needs to purchase product. Types of e-commerce. Business to business. Business to business stands for business to business. It consists of largest form of e-commerce. This model defines that buyer and seller are two different entities. It is similar to manufacturer issuing goods to the retailer or wholesaler. For example, Dell deals computers and other associated accessories online, but it does not make up all those products. So in govern to deal those products, first step is to purchase them from unlike business the producer of those products. For example, business to business is આમાં કેવું હોય છે કે આપણે we cannot purchase some things directly from the company. For example, if we wanted to purchase a Microsoft or something software or some thing that is related with electronics, and many things are there that we cannot purchase directly. So what a company did that it sold that things to a businessman who can sell that things to the common people. Business to consumer. It is the model taking business and consumers interaction. The basic concept of this model is to sell the product online to the consumers. Business to consumer is the direct trade between the company and consumers. It provides direct selling through online. For example, if you want to sell goods and services to customer, so that anybody can purchase any product directly from suppliers website. Most of e-commerce nowadays is business to consumer e-commerce, because what happens in this types of commerce is that we can go to the company's website and we can buy anything directly. There is no intermediate person in this kinds of commerce. Business to employ uh, electronic commerce uses an intra-business network which allows companies to provide products and services to their employees. Typically, companies use business to employ networks to automate employee related corporate પ્રોસેસીસ મોટા કોર્પોરેટેડ અથવા મોટી કંપનીમાં આ પ્રકારનો બિઝનેસ વી કેન નોટ સે ધીસ ઇઝ અ બિઝનેસ, ધીસ ઇઝ અ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ એક્સચેન્જ ઓફ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ફ્રોમ અ કંપની ટુ ધેર એમ્પ્લોયી. આમાં બિઝનેસ તો હોતો નથી, પણ આપણે કહી શકીએ કે કંપની તરફથી તેના એમ્પ્લોયને માહિતી સંચાર કરવામાં આવે છે. Consumer to consumer. There are many sites offering free classifieds, auctions, and forums where individuals can buy and sell thanks to online payment system like PayPal, where people can send and receive money online with ease. eBay's auction service is a great example of where person to person transactions take place every day since 1995. In this kind of business or commerce, there is not an exchange or selling of goods or products or information, but in this kinds of service one can transact money to another person. For example, now in a days through Google Pay or through many other application, we can easily transact money to other person. So there is an exchange of money in this kinds of business, or we can say that there is an exchange of bills, or in short it is connected with the transaction of money. Which are the good points, or which are the benefits of e-commerce? No checkout queues, reduced prices, you can shop anywhere in the world, easy access 24 hours a day, wide selection to cater for all consumers. As we earlier discussed, that it is very helpful for all those person who wants to shop within few seconds from anywhere in the world. It doesn't need so much time to purchase a product. It doesn't need to go outside your home to purchase a product. It doesn't need a time limitations to purchase a product. 24 કલાકમાં દુનિયાના કોઈ પણ ખૂણામાં રહીને તમે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુને ખરીદી શકો છો. Wide selection to cater for all consumers. Okay, for example, if we are going to a traditional shop, there are very few options. There are not so many options into a single shops. On the contrary, electronic marketing can easily avail customers so many options at once. We can purchase by selecting a product from so many options from the catalog. Which are the drawbacks of e-commerce? Unable to examine products personally. This is the major drawbacks of the e-commerce. What happens sometimes that we cannot examine the product as we can do it traditionally. For example, if we want to purchase a cloth, we cannot examine the quality of that cloth. For that, we need to choose a traditional method to shop. Not everyone is connected to the internet. Yes, for some time this is a drawback, but now in a days everyone has a facility of internet, so there is no issue of internet. There is the possibility of credit card number theft. Yes, a cyber security. There is not a facility by every company that they can avail a customer a cyber security. There is a possibility to theft your credit card number or many other information from your account. On average, only one ninth of stock is available on the net. There are many things which are not available to sell online, so for that we can choose a traditional method to shop. For example, what happens on the electronic marketing is that as there is first thing into the uh, this slide, that it enables to examine products personally. We cannot examine the thing, and for that reason we cannot totally what we can say, આપણે એના પર 100% ભરોસો ના મૂકી શકીએ એ વસ્તુ પર. When it comes, we can examine it, and if we don't like that product, we can return the product. But for that also we need to read the return policy. Is there a return policy for that product is available or not? Which are the features of e-commerce in India? According to Business World, estimate near about 60,000 new jobs will be created for the internet world alone in the next 2 years. આવતા 2 વર્ષમાં ઇન્ટરનેટ અથવા ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક માર્કેટિંગ માટે 60,000 નવી જોબ અવેલેબલ હશે લોકો માટે. E-commerce transactions are expected to cross rupees 3,500 crores milestone in 2010 to 11, a jump of around 350% from the 2008 to 9 figure of rupees 1,000 crore. You can see that there is 1,000 crore of there is what we can say directly there is